Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help improve your website's rankings on Google and bring more business in. Now, I'm at your website right now, and I'm going to take your URL and I put it into this SEO scanner. I use Rank Daddy for this to check your main heading tags. Now, your heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, your H1 and H2 tag. Now, unfortunately, you have no title tag and you have no meta description. It's very bad if you want to get ranked #1 on page 1 of Google. You're missing your H1 tags as well as your H2 tags. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 or 4 companies on page 1 and I get bids for them on Google. So let's see how your website is ranking on Google right now. I use a third-party tracker for this as well. I use SERPtrack. You can get a free 30-day subscription of this. So I put your URL in here, and these are the keywords that we are looking for: Bakersfield Roof Repair, Bakersfield Roofing Contractor, and Bakersfield Roofing Company. Unfortunately, your average position right now is page 3. That doesn't do you a lot of good. We can help you with this. We can get this fixed. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you today. We can get you on page 1 and get you more business. If this interests you, or if you have any questions, please respond to the email. Thanks for your time.